Invasive aquatic species. They are a problem that are inhabiting lakes and rivers right here in the Midwest. So if you have a boat, the Missouri Department of Conservation says you can actually help with their efforts to prevent spreading the species. The Now KC's Mackenzie Nelson has more on the threat of these small yet very destructive plants.
This summer, invasive aquatic plants can cause major problems for anglers, boaters, and swimmers.
It's very aggressive and it's very fast growing, so it can take over. It will choke out the native vegetation, which is good. And once you get too much of it, it harms the fish populations.
The Missouri Department of Conservation is currently battling hydrilla at Powell Gardens in Kingsville, Missouri.
It was brought in here. Unfortunately, they purchased some water lilies that came from Florida, and it had the small tubers in it, and lo and behold, they got it.
Hydrilla is just one invasive species that can reproduce in multiple ways, completely clogging ponds and lakes. Prevention is usually easier than the cure.
Hydrilla here in this small location, we should be able to eradicate it. But if it takes off in a large body of water, it's really hard.
States like Florida and Texas are spending millions of dollars per year fighting it. At times, hydrilla can get so thick, boaters can't get through it.
Absolutely not. I did not know. And how did I learn about it? You just informed me. So
that's why MDC is asking that you help fight this challenging plant.
Clean your boat, drain it, and then if you can, dry it. So by doing that, you're going to remove aquatic vegetation that become a nuisance, hydrilla, things like milfoil and other vegetation.
This summer, MDC will be contacting landowners near Powell Gardens to inspect their ponds or lakes for hydrilla. In Kansas City, I'm Mackenzie Nelson, the Now KC.
Very interesting. Native fish, plants, and insects are also at risk from hydrilla. The Missouri Department of Conservation is working to eradicate the plant at a few other sites in Missouri.